The market does not reward hard work. It rewards scarcity. If anyone can be trained to do your job in 6 months, your income is capped by the sheer volume of competition. You are a commodity node. To reach the 1%, you must escape the commodity trap by building a skill stack. This is the process of layering semi-related skills to create a category of one. You don't aim to be the best in the world at one thing. You aim to be in the top 10% of 3 things that rarely go together. The first principle of the stack is complementary overlap. Most people make the mistake of stacking similar skills, like a graphic designer learning another design software. This adds incremental value, but it doesn't change your market physics. The architect looks for force multipliers. If you are a data analyst skill who masters public speaking, communication skill, and psychology behavioral skill, you are no longer a numbers person. You are a strategic visionary who can interpret data and move an entire boardroom to action. Your value hasn't just increased, it has mutated. Next, we address the 80-20 mastery. You don't need a PhD in every layer of your stack. You need functional excellence. You apply the Pareto principle. You learn the 20% of a skill that produces 80% of the results. This allows you to build your stack at high speed. While the specialist is spending 10 years trying to move from the 95th to the 99th percentile of one skill, the architect has already built a 4-layer stack that dominates a specific niche. We prioritize broad spectrum leverage over narrow deep isolation. Getty images. Then there is the rare combination. The goal of the skill stack is to solve complex problems that a single specialist cannot touch. When you combine high-level engineering with clinical marketing and financial literacy, you become a product architect. You can design the machine, sell the machine, and manage the capital the machine generates. This makes you systemically critical. The organization or the market cannot replace you without hiring 3 different people, and even then, they would lack your integrated perspective. The psychology of the 1% in this domain is continuous R&D. They view their skill set as a software suite that requires regular updates. They are always scanning for emerging nodes, new technologies, or market shifts that can be added to their stack to maintain their edge. They aren't afraid of AI or automation because they understand that this is the one thing machines cannot yet replicate. A machine can do a task, but an architect can stack tasks into a mission. To execute the skill stack protocol, you must follow the architecture audit. First, identify your core engine, the primary skill that pays the bills. Second, identify 2 adjacent verticals, skills that, if added, would double the value of your core. Third, spend 1 hour a day in low-stress learning to build these layers. You are moving from a service provider to an indispensable asset. The more unique your stack, the less you have to compete. In a world of specialists, the synthesizer is king. Stop trying to be the best and start trying to be the only. Audit the layers, build the stack, become unreplaceable. The machine is now a proprietary system. If you are ready to stop being a plug-and-play employee and start engineering a one-of-a-kind career, subscribe. The Wealth Architecture series is redefining your potential. We will see you in the next deep dive.